Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday afternoon, April 13th. We're looking at the special that I am running right now. So, again, I'm going to show this for the next couple of days for my morning and evening video. So, to honor my 3-year anniversary today, we had a couple of people sign up already for this. So new members only, 3 months for $75 or $200 for the year, payable only through Venmo or PayPal. If you do sign up, please, for the reason for payment, put your email. That's how I'm going to invite you into my Discord room. Again, the value we offer for this kind of money, I think, is invaluable. So take advantage of it. Okay, this room is cheap as it is. It's usually $30 a month or $275 for the year. So, but still making it even cheaper now. I'm going to run this probably through the end of the month to May 1st in honor of our 3-year anniversary. So hopefully we'll have all of you come aboard over the next 2 weeks. Now, let's get to our trading. So, what a day. Now, kudos to the bulls. After yesterday, so we were talking about it late in the room, late in the day today. To put it in context, look at Tuesday. Tuesday, we tried to go higher, right? We had gapped higher. We tried to get to the balance high, and M period wiped it out. Then yesterday, again, gapped higher, flush out, attempt late, again in the afternoon, H, I, J, only to get rejected again. So today, after an outside day down and 2 failures at trying to get through a daily balance, sellers had something going for them after last night. Boy, oh boy, they gave it up. So if people came in short thinking, okay, we're going to finally now, since we rejected the balance high, get going to the downside, sadly mistaken, as the market opened and went up the entire day, except for 2 little pullbacks, one in H, one in M. Again, the worst type of day for me. I mean, I made money, but only 6.5 points. The reason for this room, and this is so important, I tell the room, is to inform and educate you. It's not about my trading. I hope everybody in my room makes more money than me. And on days like today, I keep them out of trouble from trying to short it and tell them why you should be long and what to look for as you're out. And a lot of people did that. So again, it's not about my trading. It's about educating you guys because I think we're excellent at calling the market. This is not short covering. Some of it was definitely short covering, but this market just got long. The daily is up now in NQ, NES, okay, on both the daily and the weekly. Righty had an inside day. They never took out yesterday. They did go out with a double distribution day, 1 set of singles held, and an inside day. So they're still in balance on the daily. NQ goes out with a triple distribution day as they have 3 distributions. A's range is 1, C's low to H's high is the middle distribution, and J's low to the day's high. And they came out of balance. Now, ES and SPY hold 6 sets of single prints. We had 7 at one point. What's incredibly impressive about that, our range is only a little over $5. So that is pretty impressive. Now, the volume was horrible. Again, only in the 70s. We're probably not going to even do average volume. It is just one part of the equation, but it's an important part in the bigger picture going forward. But this doesn't mean the market can't go higher because of the poor volume. I think the buyers have every edge now after sellers rejected them Tuesday, Wednesday to do this. I don't mind a little consolidation tomorrow, but I certainly don't want to take out, today's low, and I certainly want to take out today's high sooner rather than later, meaning either hopefully tomorrow, if not tomorrow, by Monday, to get out of this balance and then go attack February's yearly high. So, 6 sets. It's just amazing. Value started lower, overlapping lower, was overlapping a higher most of the day, went to unchanged when we stretched. When N period, now even though N is my overnight, Once N ticked to get 5 wide, my value went back to overlapping a higher, which it basically was for most of the afternoon. So as far as my trades, again, I had a small day because these days kill me. I escaped in B period. I didn't expect to just go rip trend up. I was actually up 6 points at one point on a short in B, but gave 5 of them back when it just didn't pull back when I took another short. So I only made a point, but I didn't get hurt. I didn't get stubborn. I made on a long in C period against the single prints. I actually took a short in C when we took out the IB high and didn't get much, which made money. I long D period with the single prints. And I longed I period against the single prints. The long I really, really wanted was in H. I thought we had a good chance in H to fill F and E singles. They were not that big. I thought they would fill them, come back down into the middle where volume park was at that time, and take a nice, decent, sizable long here against these single prints down here. All it did, though, was take out G's low by 2 ticks and went back up. And then I wasn't going to chase. I did take a long and I, like I said, but that was it. I mean, again, these days just really frustrate me. Nobody's fault but my own. And that's why I'm trying to teach younger traders not to look at price. Everybody talks about price. Price kills you because people keep looking, saying we can't go any higher. Look at the profile and tell you what the single prints and one-time framing is telling you throughout the day. We go out with 4 distributions. A's range is the first one. C's low to C's high is the second distribution. H's low to H's high is the third distribution. And the fourth distribution is K's low to the day's high. So, again, I don't mind if we take some of this back, but you certainly want to just consolidate, shake out some of the weaker longs, and then start going higher. We don't have a lot above us. So on our destinations, we have 413.84 is today's high in SPY. Then the next 5 highs are daily highs, weekly high, and monthly high. There's nothing in between. There's no wide pops, no single prints, no rally highs, nothing. So we have 414.06 daily high, 415.05 weekly high, 416.49 weekly high, 416.97 daily high, and 418.31. That's the big one. February's monthly high. The bulls need to take that out to get the monthly up. The monthly is in balance. For the downside, again, write these down. They will not be repeated, all of this. 6 sets of single prints. You ready? 412.93 to 78. Second one, 412.54 to 12. Next, 411.76 to 56. 411.09 to 08, only 2 cents on that one. 410.94 to 88. 410.09 to 409.53. And today's low of 408.70. ES, downside, single print, 67.50 to 66.25. 63.75 to 59.50. 55.75 to 54. 49 to 48.75, 2 ticks. 47.25 to 47, 2 ticks. 38.50 to 33, and today's low of 24.50. For the upside, today's high of 77, which is a poor high. SPY's not. 88.25 weekly high. 94 daily high. 08.50 monthly high, filling the gap at 4220.75 from August 22nd of last year. And then let's go to the charts. Tomorrow night I'll recap all 3 of these indices. So the monthly, like I said, is in balance. It's a 6-month balance, including this month. We need to take out February's high to get the monthly up. Otherwise, nothing's changed. So this is very positive, but the monthly is still balanced. The weekly is clearly up, one-time framing up for 4 weeks now. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that next big high, right? Here's the next destinations. Remember I said only not a lot of destinations in our way. And then above that is our daily, which to me has now gone up. We just came out of, including today, a 9-day balance to the upside. Can they keep it going? Well, they have it in their hands to do. I mean, volume is almost 85 million. So with the after hours, we might do close to average. So not bad, but you would like to see more. But for sure, the buyers had a banner day today. I hope you had a good day trading. Again, 2 weeks I'm going to run this special for, 2 to 3 weeks. $75 for 3 months or $200 for the year. So check out the beginning of the video, which shows you how to pay. Leave your email, and we hope to see you in the room. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this YouTube channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.